Samsung offers an integrated and easy way to display your phone's contents on compatible TVs, using the Smart View feature available in most recent Galaxy smartphones and tablets and its line of smart TVs. If your Smart View is displaying no TVs found message on your smartphone, tablet screen, then you'll be unable to cast your phone content to TV. In this guide, I will show you how to fix Smasung Smart View No TV Found error. Let's start. Method 1. Check network issue. For the Samsung Smart View feature to be able to work on your TV, you have to make sure that your TV has a good and stable internet connection. If you're using any VPN, it might be the reason for the No TVs Found message. Some users reported that disabling the VPN on their devices fixed the issue. So, try to disable the VPN and then cast the screen of your smartphone or tablet on the TV. Check if this works for you. The other thing you're going to want to check is if the device you're streaming content from is connected to the same network as your Samsung TV. Your device won't be able to find your TV if they are connected to different networks. So, make sure you connect them both to the same one. After you've made sure of that, simply refresh the app on both your phone and your TV and the issue you've been having should be gone. Besides, some smart TVs don't support the 5 GHz frequency network band. If you're using the 5 GHz frequency band on your Wi-Fi router or phone's hotspot, then it might be the reason why Smart View is displaying a No TVs Found message. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and switch the frequency band to 2.4 GHz from 5 GHz. Now, your TV will appear in Smart View. Method 2. Stay up to date. If you're still getting the No TVs Found message, go to your device's settings and check if any latest updates are available there. Updating the device's software to its latest versions fixes the bugs and improves the device's performance. So, update your device's software and check if this resolves the issue. Method 3. Make sure allow access to all permissions. While trying to cast the screen, Smart View and your TV require permissions to enable Wi-Fi or hotspot network, media, files, photos, and location. If your Smart View or TV requires these permissions, tap on Allow and grant the permissions. After that, check if this resolves the No TVs Found issue. Method 4. Clear Smart View data. Open Smart View info. In Smart View info, tap on Storage. Next, select Clear Data. Once done, restart your device. Restart done, open Smart View and set it up again, then check if this resolves the No TVs Found issue. Method 5. Try use SmartThings. When you first sign into the SmartThings app, the app will ask permission for SmartThings to use these location services. If you own a Samsung TV 2016 later model, your device will support SmartThings. It's better if you use SmartThings. You can download SmartThings from the Google Play Store, Android, App Store, iOS. Now, scan for nearby devices for Find Your TV. Then add your TV for Cast Your Phone content to TV. Method 6. Power cycle your TV and router Wi-Fi. Turn off your TV and router Wi-Fi and unplug the power cable from the wall outlet. Now, wait for 5 minutes and plug the power cable into the wall outlet. After that, turn on your Samsung TV and router Wi-Fi and check if this resolves the issue. Method 7. Factory reset your TV and router Wi-Fi. If the No TVs Found message is still there, resetting the device to its default factory settings can help you. Try to factory reset your device and check if that resolves the issue.